Ready to level up your GitHub game and seamlessly add files to your repositories. First, let's create a repository on GitHub. If you already have one, you can skip this step. If not, navigate to your GitHub profile and select the option to start a new repository. Give it a concise name and add a brief description if you'd like. The simplest method is using Github's web interface. Once you're in your repository, locate the button for adding the file, click it, then choose the option to upload files. A file explorer will open, letting you select the files from your computer that you wish to upload. Choose all the necessary files, then select open. After selecting files, you'll likely see them appear in the upload section. Don't forget to add a descriptive commit message, which will help you and others understand the changes you've made. Once you're happy with the changes, the final step is to commit the upload. All that is left is to click commit changes, and boom, your files are now stored. You can see them right inside your repository. For the command line method, make sure you have both Git and GitHub set up on your local machine first. Navigate to your project's directory using the command line tools. Then, using the appropriate command, you can stage the files you wish to add. Another convenient option is using GitHub Desktop or a similar GUI tool. After cloning your repository, you can simply drag and drop files into the repository folder on your computer. Once your files make it into your local repository folder, you can commit and push them via the desktop application. Now your files are successfully uploaded. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, mastering these upload methods is crucial for effective repository management.